I'm a frog. Today we're stepping on fidgets. Ow! Rude. So first we're going to be stepping on puppets. Like, why not? Bye. That's good. Sus Among Us. I'm not going crazy. Yay! It is still not working. Okay, now it's done. Unicorn. If you haven't watched my other video, then it's a joke when I said unicorn about this puppet. Kugati. That was good. Okay, I have to take a break. Pop it. Oh. Sorry about my kitty cat. Move, cat! I'm trying to do ASMR, but it's going horrible. Color changing window. Okay, please don't pop. Oh my goodness. It didn't pop. Yay. Magnet rings. Oh gosh, that was loud. Okay, now time to step on them. How that hurt my foot. Oh, that's hard. Magnet ring. Poppable octopus. Oh, I missed it. Bye. Ow, that hard. Time for the other one. Why not? See if I can stand on it with 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ow! Ow. My owl. Woo. Mochi. Another mochi. Wait, you didn't finish. Boba. Simple dimple triple fidget spinner. Ow. Okay, let's just do the rest of my mochis. More mochis. Last but not least, move, cat. Hey, can I just kick this out the way, maybe? Oh my God. Mo. Wacky track. Bye, guys. Ew. Hope you guys liked me showing my broken foot. That's going to be at the end of this video. Broken foot. It's not actually that broken. It actually didn't hurt that bad. Except for the magnet rings and the wacky track and the tangle. These are the only things that hurt. So, yeah. Bye. Hope you had a good day. Bye. Love y'all. Mwah.